Hello, TypeTrace here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the green screen background from a clip and go from this to this. So let's get right into it. I've opened Premiere Pro and it's now time for us to find a clip with a green screen background. So let's go to the website called Pexels and type in green screen and select videos, and let's find a clip. Let's take this one with some water and place it into Premiere Pro, just like this. Now we got our footage and we're now ready to apply the effect so we can remove the green screen background. The first thing you want to do is to go to the effects panel right here and go to the effects. Find the effect called Ultra Key right here. Take it and drag it onto your clip and you will now get these settings. The first thing you want to do is to set the key color. Because it's a green screen, we want to select the green color. Press on this and select the green screen color. And as you can see, the green screen background is now removed. Now you can change the settings, like the transparency, or the highlights, shadows, tolerance, and much more. Let's say this is fine for now. Let's take another clip and put it behind the water. And as you can see, it's transparent. And the green screen is removed. And as I said, you can always change the settings as you would like. This was all for now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.